Welcome to today's video. Today I'm really excited to talk about a new technology called Parlant. It was recently in the GitHub trending repositories, and Parlant helps you build compliant AI agents in minutes. Personally, I've been using Parlant for the last couple months and I really like it. And today I want to show you how I integrated Parlant into my React Native application. So let's get started. On the left-hand screen, I've built main.py in Python. I'm using the Parlant SDK. And I've created a simple agent, and his name is Car Guy. And he works at a car dealership, and he will only answer questions about cars. He won't hallucinate and answer about cheese, for example. All right, going to our React Native package JSON, I've installed two very important libraries. One of those libraries is called React Native Gifted Chat, which is really a simple chat UI library that helps us render a really nice looking UI. And then I've added another library called React Native Parlant, which is a library that I built to help you integrate Parlant into your React Native app. Now, inside our index.tsx, we scroll up. I'm using a hook from my library called useChat, and it returns a list of messages. And all I do is I pass the agent ID from Parlant and the API, which I'm running locally. Optionally, I can pass a list of initial messages. If we scroll down, we'll see that I'm rendering the gifted chat and I'm passing those lists of messages to the gifted chat. Now, if we go to the right-hand panel, you're going to see that I have a simple chat app, which I've rendered. If I ask a question about Honda, for example, the agent will talk to me about Honda. So it says, got it? It is going to give me a little bit about Honda and ask which Honda model. I won't get into that, but if I ask it, tell me about cheese, it won't hallucinate and it won't tell me about cheese. And so I've shown you an example of how to integrate Parlant into React Native. It's really easy. If you want to check out all of this code, it's all on GitHub in my repository called React Native Parlant. There's an example folder with the example agent. There's an example app with the React Native app. And in the source folder is the React Native library that I've built. All right, so that's exactly how you build an agent with Parlant and React Native. Thank you and have a great day.